People are earning thousands of dollars every month by creating simple stick figure animations or videos. Creating stick figure animation AI videos is not only super easy but also free. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make such stick figure videos for your YouTube channel using free AI tools, and the best part is, you don't even have to show your face. So let's get started. But before we begin, quickly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to watch till the end because at the end, I'm going to share a secret hack that will help you monetize your AI videos much faster. To create these stick figure animation AI videos, Step 1. Script writing. To create a stick figure animation AI video, the first thing we need is a script. We'll take help from ChatGPT to write this script. For that, we'll give a prompt to ChatGPT like, create a unique, simple, and engaging humor-based script using easy-to-understand language. I've shared this full prompt in the description of my video. Based on this prompt, I'm creating a script based on a funny situation. You can also make your script humorous, fact-based, educational, or motivational, whichever topic you want to make your stick figure animation video on. Just adjust the prompt accordingly and get your video script generated using ChatGPT. Once we give the prompt, we'll hit enter, and in less than 10 seconds, ChatGPT gives us a complete scene-wise script for our video. Step 2. AI voiceovers. Now, for each scene in the script, we'll generate voiceovers. Again, using ChatGPT, you can generate unlimited AI voiceovers for free. For example, I've just generated the voiceover for the first scene.
Remember when we all wanted to grow up so we could do whatever we wanted? Eat cake for breakfast, stay up all night. Yeah, we were scammed.
You can generate voiceovers for every scene of your script using ChatGPT. Step 3. Generate images. Next, we'll create images for each scene. I'll use another AI tool called Ideogram to generate these images. To get the right prompts to generate the images, I'll again take help from ChatGPT. So to generate an image for each scene, I'll give this prompt in ChatGPT, and I've also added this prompt in the video description below. You can adjust or edit this prompt according to your story and use it to generate images for each scene. Now, as soon as I click enter, ChatGPT starts giving me image prompts for every scene. I'll just copy the prompt and go to Ideogram. You can click it to directly go to the website and log in with your email ID. Now, in the box that says, describe what you want to see, paste the image prompt for the first scene that we got from ChatGPT. In the settings below, since I want to create a YouTube long video, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio. If you want to create this video for any other platform, you can choose the aspect ratio accordingly. And that's it. Now all you have to do is click the Generate button. And look at that, within a few seconds, Ideogram gives me 4 images for the first scene of my stick animation video. From these 4 images, you can click and open the one you like, click on the 3 dots, and download it. Now, using the same method, you can copy every scene's prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Ideogram, and generate all your images. Steps 4. Edit video. Now that we have all the images and the voiceover files, you can import them into any video editor like Clipchamp, CapCut, or Filmora, and start editing your video. One by one, you'll import all the images into the timeline and then start matching the voiceover files with the respective images. Once you've synced the voiceovers and images, you can also add animations, transitions, effects, and styles to the video as you wish. After that, if you want, you can also add automatic captions or subtitles to your video. And that's it. Now the final stick animation video is ready. See you in my next video.